Page 281, number 59, highlights the application that the book is stressing on logs. And the application is sound intensity in decibels. So I wrote the formula right here, and the formula is beta equals 10 times the log of I over I0, where I0 is the threshold of human hearing, which is highlighted on the chart here, right here. So that is our I sub 0 that we're going to substitute it in. So we're supposed to find the level of sound intensity for 3 different conditions. What a soft whisper sounds like, city traffic, and part C is going to be a jet at takeoff. So starting with a soft whisper, setting up our equation, we're going to substitute in for I and I sub 0. So we have 10 times the log of the soft whisper is 10 to the negative 11 over our hearing threshold, which is 10 to the negative 12. And when I simplify that, I get 10 times log of 10 to the first power. And using our log properties, log of 10 to the first power is just going to be 1. So I have 10 times 1, which equals 10. So that's my answer for number 1. So 10 decibels. Now the next example is using the sound of city traffic. So city traffic is at 10 to the negative 5. So I'm going to put beta is going to equal 10 times the log of I, which in this case is 10 to the negative 5, over the threshold of human hearing, which is 10 to the negative 12. Simplify that. I get 10 times the log of 10 to the 7th power. So this is going to be 10 times 7 using our log properties again. So we get 70. So the intensity of city traffic is at 70 decibels. And then finally, a jet at takeoff. We're going to have 10 times log of, and we can see at the bottom of our chart that jet at takeoff is the highest value. It's at 10 to the 3rd power over our threshold of hearing, which is 10 to the negative 12 power. So this gives us 10 times the log of 10 to the 15th power. So this gives us 10 times 15. So our value here is 150. So you can see it is a much louder sound. It is 150 decibels. So you can contrast the answers here. A soft whisper is as little as 10 decibels. City traffic is at 70 decibels, and a jet takeoff is more than double that at 150 decibels.